Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how people are making thousands of dollars every day live streaming on Pump.Fun. The idea is to create a memecoin on PumpFun, go live, build a community around your token, make viewers buy your coin and earn creator rewards from the trading fees. The concept is simple. To live stream on PumpFun, you first need to create a memecoin tied to your stream. Viewers can buy and trade your coin, and a portion of those transactions, the creator rewards, go directly to you. This allows streamers to earn money based on engagement, and some of them make thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. Let's check out some streamers on PumpFun and see how much they make. Here is a stream called Tom's Odyssey. Tom is a guy from England traveling around Europe, and he streams his adventures in real time. His coin reached a 600,000 market cap, and on his profile page we can see that he earned $27,000 in creator rewards in just a few days, which is amazing. There are hundreds of streamers on PumpFun in different niches, and if you don't want to show your face because you're shy or you don't want to go public, you can stream your favorite game or even film your pet, like this guy who films his cat called Oscar 24/7 with a GoPro camera. The all-time high market cap for this coin was $3 million, so let's click on the wallet profile and find out in the coins how much Oscar has earned this guy in creator rewards. This is absolutely crazy. You can stream about anything, your hobby, your work, or something as simple as showcasing your goldfish. You can also stream away from your computer if you install the PumpFun app on your mobile phone. Take your camera outside and live stream while you hike outdoors, work out at the gym, drive around in your Uber taxi. Just do whatever you can think of to trigger curiosity and get attention. Just be funny and entertaining to keep people coming back to watch your stream. To start streaming, sign up for an account with your Solana wallet, click Create Coin, enter the coin details and upload a logo. When done, you can start streaming right away. No coding is required. All live streams are integrated into the PumpFun platform, so viewers can trade your token during your streams. When people trade your token, you receive a portion of the PumpFun trading fees, so your purpose is to get as much attention as possible to increase the trading volume. The more trades, the more creator revenue you will get. Newly created tokens trade via a bonding curve on PumpFun, and after they reach a certain market cap threshold, they graduate to PumpSwap, which has its own fee structure. Graduation brings extra visibility to your coin, earning you more revenue. If you want to trade your own coin, don't do it on PumpFun. Use a trading bot like Padre instead. It's much faster and cheaper than PumpFun. Padre also has a ton of smart tools and gives you free Solana if you trade on their platform. If you use my invitation link in the description below, you will get a 35% discount on your trading fees. Creator fees are only one income stream. You can also use your stream to sell exclusive merchandise or advertising, or you can run a contest that encourages people to trade even more. It's not like streaming on YouTube or Twitch, where you need to reach certain goals first before you can begin earning money. You can make a meme coin and start streaming in just a few minutes. PumpFun is the biggest launchpad for meme coin tokens, and the live streaming function is a great alternative to Twitch or Kick because the creator rewards are much higher. A few months ago, with the Project Ascent update, there were only a few hundred streamers on PumpFun, and today we are seeing thousands, so now it's still a great time to start. After the update, the original creator fee of 0.05% changed to 0.95% for tokens with a market cap below 300,000 and 0.05% for tokens over 20 million market cap. Let me show you how it works. Log into PumpFun with your Phantom wallet and click Create Coin. For this demo, I already created a charity token to benefit the International Red Cross. The Red Cross donation token has the ticker CROSS, and if people buy this token, the creator rewards will be donated to the American Red Cross for disaster relief and support. So if you want to do a good deed today, feel free to buy some tokens. You will not only help people in need, but if you share the token page with your friends and they also buy the coin, the market cap and token price will go up and you can sell your tokens and earn some money, so it's a win-win situation. I will drop the Red Cross token link in the description below, in case you want to check it out. The more people are trading the coin, the more reward fees will be paid out and donated to the Red Cross. Most people like charity coins and helping people in need, so this should be a good coin. Here's another example of a charity token. A group of 6 friends are live streaming how they distribute food and help the homeless in and around Los Angeles. So far they made 170,000 in creator rewards, and all the rewards are used to provide food and support to the poor. They have a full website and social media links where you can read about their project. The main purpose of the creator coin is to allow you to live stream. This is the same process as launching a normal meme coin, but since your goal is to earn money from the trading fees, you don't need to purchase any coins. Scammers, on the other hand, buy up a lot of their own tokens at launch because they plan to dump them in one bunch to exit with all the money. These are rug pull coins. Once your coin is created, the Start Live Stream button will appear. If you have no idea about what to stream, you can browse this live stream page to see who's getting a lot of views and copy what they do. This person, for example, plays games online, and if we check out his profile, we can see that he earned $21,000 in creator rewards. Or you can do a unique giveaway like this guy who is giving away a car when his coin reaches the 10 million market cap. Since the start of the giveaway he has earned 45,000 in creator fees. Once you start earning rewards, you should use some of the money to buy some of your own tokens just to help the community and show your support. Don't be greedy and take all the money and disappear. It's just not nice. If you are ready to go live, accept the terms and select your choice of streaming. You can use your webcam and mic or broadcast with OBS, which is a free program that many live streamers use. If you stream on OBS, choose RTMP streaming software, give your stream a title, click Go Live and you will receive a server URL and a stream key. Keep your streaming keys safe and don't show them to anyone or they can hijack your stream. In OBS, go to Settings, Streams, select Custom, enter the server URL and the stream key and you are ready to broadcast. People can now watch your stream on Pump.Fun, and if they like your content and believe in your project, they can trade your coin in the background, earning you creator rewards. Anytime you go live, people can chat, watch and trade your coins. I believe there will be a wave of popular creators moving from Twitch and Kick to Pump.Fun in the near future, and when the word gets out that they earn more money if they switch, the flywheel will start turning. At the same time, traders will also profit. They can speculate on the growth of streamers, buy their token, sell it and flip it for profit. And if you want to get started on Pump.Fun live streaming your coin, I have a streaming checklist that you can download from my Discord server. It's a PDF file with all the step-by-step details to help you create your first meme coin, and it also includes instructions on how to go live on Pump.Fun. It's absolutely free for you, and the link to my Discord is below in the description. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to get all my latest videos first. Have a great day and see you next time. The normal cashback is 5%, but if you use my link you get 10%. Okay, that's it for now. If you have any other Axiom tips, drop them in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to get all my latest videos first. Have a great day and trade safely.